Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In this video, we'll check out this. Same color, deep bronze metallic. Does the Outlander look better with black edition or just the regular factory look? So we'll put side by side and we'll check out what looks better. This one is fully blacked out black edition that we did as a custom upgrade to one of our manager demos, and this one is basically factory looks with exception of few accessories. One is gas, the other is PHEV. Doesn't matter, visually looks the same vehicle. We just need to figure it out if factory looks or black edition is the way to go. So we'll do the front, side and the back comparisons. Okay, and here's the front comparison. We can see how this one, there's a lot of things that jump out to you in terms of chrome and two-tone color scheme, but this one is all sort of like blended in nicely with this deep bronze color and the blacked out chrome elements. If we go from top to bottom, so we can have a look at right here. So the roof here, we don't really see that that good in this light, but the roof is totally black right here. And then this one here has this deep bronze to it. I think when we go from the back comparison, it'll be a little bit better visible, but we can see how the roof rails, we completely deleted black, and then these the mirror caps as well. So this one here we have factory color, this one we wrapped gloss black, and it looks really cool. Now then, as we step back, we can see already around dynamic shield, Outlander hood emblem, these cross grille elements are blacked out as well, and the lower bumper part is gloss painted as well. So very big difference on how it looks. We left Mitsubishi logo in chrome. I think it's good. That part stands out a lot. I like that, but overall very huge difference how the black edition looks compared to just the regular factory look. So right now let's have a look at the side view, and then we'll check out the back. And here we have the side view. We have black edition versus regular factory looks. Huge difference. Obviously we can see a few things that we've changed. So again, we're going to start from the roof. So roof line, we can see how this one has black roof, and that gives you this black edition feel. Same thing with these roof rails. They're silver color versus we blacked them out. Let's check them out a little bit up closer. I really like this black roof part. That looks like $1,000,000. I love it. And then this one here is the factory looks right there, and then around the window area, so we have this chrome line going on here that is obviously blacked out on here. And then same thing for the mirror caps. We have black wrapped gloss black, and we have just the factory looks right here. And then we also have these side moldings, and for the side moldings, what we did here, so this is how we put these side moldings after the fact. They're not factory installed, and they have this chrome line right here with these letters. And then right here what we did is we blacked out this chrome line. We left this deep bronze color match, but we blacked out this chrome line, and we also blacked out these Outlander letters that normally would be chrome. And again, this one gives you this black edition feel. And of course, finally we did the wheels as well, and the wheels look really cool. I really like when we do paint same wheels, but it looks like totally different design wheels. It's just how visually different this would be when you paint them black versus have this two-tone machined aluminum wheel. So there we go. This is the side difference, and now let's check out the back. And here's the back. The only thing that really stands out is the lower bumper part right here, and this one is gloss black now. That looks really cool with this deep bronze color. And this one here, again, this is how they come from the factory. We left the badging in chrome, so that way they stand out a bit. You have the Outlander here, super all-wheel control badge right there. And that's how it looks. We also did the spoiler wrap, so the spoiler is wrapped in black as well on this one here. This here is the factory looks, but you don't really see that all that well from a distance. They kind of look the same. So if you look at the biggest difference from the distance, the lower bumper part will be it. So there we go. We just checked out this black edition that we did versus just the regular factory looks on deep bronze color. I think the black edition looks like $1,000,000. I like it a lot. hope you think the same way. So thank you so much for checking out this video, and see you next time around.